Welcome back to Inside Car Mix. Today we are taking you on an exclusive tour of something extraordinary, the RoyalRide XL, a motorhome that redefines what luxury on wheels really means. This is not just a vehicle, it is a complete 5-star experience designed for those who want to take the comfort of home anywhere they go. From the very first glance, the exterior of RoyalRide XL demands attention. The black and gold finish with smooth aerodynamic curves gives it a futuristic yet classy appeal. The LED headlights are sharp and modern, the chrome accents add to the premium look, and the massive tinted windows hint at the luxury that waits inside. When the remote-controlled automatic door opens, it feels like stepping into a private luxury suite on wheels. The moment you enter, you are greeted with warm lighting and elegant wood finish that creates a cozy and sophisticated vibe. The lounge area is fitted with plush sofas that can comfortably seat your family or friends, and the huge flat-screen TV turns the entire space into a private theater. Moving toward the bedroom, you will find a king-size bed with premium linens, overhead storage, and soft ambient lights that make the whole area look like a high-end hotel room. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious for a motorhome. It has a glass shower cabin, a modern sink with marble top, storage cabinets, and even a large mirror with LED lights for that extra touch of class. One of the best parts is the driver's cockpit. The leather captain chairs, futuristic dashboard, and massive panoramic windshield make driving this giant machine a pleasure rather than a task. Everything is digital and easy to control, including navigation, entertainment, and climate settings, giving the driver full confidence and comfort on the road. On the performance side, RoyalRide XL is powered by a strong, fuel-efficient engine that offers smooth highway cruising and stable handling even on long trips. Despite its size, it is surprisingly easy to maneuver thanks to power steering and advanced safety features like lane assist and parking cameras. It is built not just for luxury but for practicality, making sure you enjoy every mile without stress. As for the price, RoyalRide XL is positioned in the premium segment. But when you think about what you are getting, a moving luxury apartment with all modern conveniences, the value makes sense. Owning this motorhome means you can travel across the country without ever worrying about hotels, restaurants, or comfort. It is perfect for family vacations, business trips, or even as a full-time home for those who love life on the road. So if you have ever dreamed about living in a luxury home that moves with you, RoyalRide XL could be that dream come true. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Inside Car Mix for more amazing car and motorhome reviews. And let us know in the comments if you would live full-time in a motorhome like this.